A figure stands on a cliff's edge, overlooking wide golden water as ships glide across the horizon. Two wands are planted firmly at his sides. A third rests beneath his hand. The Three of Wands is the moment when vision enters the world, intention moving beyond planning into visible momentum. The central figure is the core symbol. He stands tall, slightly turned away, watching results unfold. No longer enclosed within the castle walls, he is on open ground, exposed to possibility. His calm stance shows that he has already acted. Now he observes the consequences set in motion. He represents the self at the threshold of expansion, steady, confident, and aware that the future is already on its way. The three wands form the first supporting symbol. They stand like a tripod, idea, intention, action, creating the stable structure through which manifestation becomes real. One wand is held, leadership, active engagement. Two are anchored, support, resources, and foundations that steady the venture. The number 3 signifies synthesis. Creativity has moved from potential to form. The second supporting symbol is the sea and the ships. They are emissaries of his will, carrying projects, messages, or ambitions outward. Their direction may be leaving or returning, and both meanings matter. Outward movement suggests enterprise and trust in the unknown. Inward movement suggests reward, opportunity, or the first harvest of courage. The calm, golden water shows harmony between emotion and action. The third symbol is the distant mountains. They mark goals not yet reached, challenges still ahead, and the ongoing nature of mastery. Though he stands on high ground, higher peaks call him forward. Every success generates new horizons. The fourth symbol lies in his garments, a red cloak and green tunic. Red expresses fire, passion, courage, and the power that launched his effort. Green expresses growth and patience, the willingness to let time and process do their work. Together, they show balanced fire, enthusiasm grounded in steady development. The fifth symbol is the radiant sky. Clear and golden, it represents optimism, illumination, and divine approval of the path he has chosen. It is the atmosphere of faith, trust that what has begun will grow. Together, these symbols reveal a scene of poised progress. The figure watches with patience, knowing he has initiated movement that the world now responds to. In readings, the Three of Wands signals progress, enterprise, expanding horizons, and ventures that require trust. It marks the point when plans are underway and success depends on sustained vision rather than impulsive action. It encourages confidence in momentum and openness to new opportunities arising from previous choices.